Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. How are you? I am fine. I hope that we will be all okay from health by the grace of God. Dear friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Design, and you are watching the best and trendy collection. Dear guys, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. You can get my coming video notification first. Dear friend, today we'll talk about PVC raincoat design. This raincoat design is very beautiful and charming color, specially made for rainy season. Cute PVC raincoat, vinyl, rain flicker, rain jacket, rain suits. Dear subscriber, as you know that my channel YouTube Fashion Design TV channel, and you are watching the best trendy collection raincoat design, PVC raincoat design, specially made for ladies and girls and women. Also applied excellent perfect raincoat. Different color, different design. Every color is beautiful and stylish and unique collection. Dear friend, I hope that like my video and share my video with your friends. Dear friends, you want to see much more collection, please I request visit my channel Fashion Design and search my videos about your own choice, like bridal dress, bridal jewelry, winter jackets, sports shoes, kids raincoat design, and the more collection. Please I request visit my channel. Please I request you share my video with your friends. I need more subscriber. Please help me improve the subscriber. This raincoat design, cool people, need people who love fashion. Please I again request share my video to see the end. Thanking for watching. God bless you.